Hello, I'm Dave Heingardner, Assistant Superintendent for School Administration. We're looking forward to getting students back in school before long. And as we do that, we'd like to share with you some health and safety information. I'd like to introduce Debbie Litton, our Supervisor of Student Services, and Becky Cooper, our Nurse Coordinator. Both of them have been working hard to make sure we have a safe environment for students. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, take care, and see you soon.
Thank you, Dr. Heingardner. I'm Debbie Litton, and I'm here with Becky Cooper, and we are the Student Services Department, and we've been working really hard this summer to get ready for the return of students to our schools. And we want to take a few minutes to share some information with you so you as a parent can help us prepare students to return. First, I'd like to draw your attention to our Shenandoah County Public School website. And on the left of the website is our COVID information section. And under there you will see our Shenandoah County Public School Phase 3 Health Plan. And in that health plan, we identify and outline for you all the strategies that we're using to help prevent the spread of COVID in our schools. You will see that we have instituted cleaning protocols. We have instituted desks that are 6 feet apart in all of our classrooms. We have 6 feet markings on the floor, and we have trained our faculty and our staff. And you will also see teachers and staff members who have personal protective equipment. You will see all of us in our mask. Some teachers will be wearing their face shields as well. You will see them wearing gloves to clean desks in between classes. So we are prepared for the return of students. Now we need the help of the students and the parents in our community for the return as well. And this is outlined in our SMART 4 graphic. And that is the things that you are hearing from our CDC, the Center for Disease Control, and following all of their guidelines. We want to make sure we wash our hands as often as we can. We want to make sure that we 6 feet distance ourselves as much as we can. And we want to make sure we have our masks on. We will be wearing our masks, and we want to make sure that we have those on, and any time that we think we may be coming into contact with other people, we call that masks in motion. So if you're moving, your mask is on. And the more important part, and I think the most important part, is that you stay home when you're sick. We do not want to spread this disease around to anyone else, so we want to stay home when we're sick. We also mailed out a flyer to all the families in the county about schools reopening and helping us to be healthy. And you will see on that flyer various strategies that we've used in asking you to do. One of the most important thing on that flyer is on the back. So make sure you turn over that flyer and take a look at the student symptom checklist. These are a set of questions that you need to ask your student, and the student needs to ask themselves every day before you get on the bus or you come to school. And if you answer yes to any of those questions, you need to stay home. And of course, if you do stay home, you need to contact the main office and let them know that you're going to be absent today. So those are a couple of things that you can do as students and parents to help us make sure we do not spread COVID in our schools. I want to turn it over now to Becky Cooper, who's going to talk to you a little bit more about immunizations and physicals that are required for students to return to school. Ms. Cooper?
Thank you, Debbie. I want to talk with you about certain medical requirements for students before they can return to school. We need your help. Kindergarten students must have a physical exam and certain immunizations before starting school. The school nurse must have a copy of these records before the student can come into the school. If you have not taken care of this, I urge you to contact your healthcare provider or the health department now to make an appointment. In addition, all students entering 7th grade must have a Tdap booster shot before starting school. Again, the school nurse must have a copy of this record before the student can come into the school. If you have not taken care of this, please contact your healthcare provider or the health department now to make that appointment. And finally, it is really important for each parent, I should say, to identify at least 2 other adults who will be able to pick up your child in case he or she becomes ill at school. We will always call you the parent first, but then emergency contacts will be crucial if we are unable to reach you. Thank you very much.
So if we can put all these strategies together, we certainly can create a safe and healthy environment for our students, and one where they can make academic progress. Thank you.